it's Mama Does Nails, and welcome to day 9. Day 9. Do you like my Christmas hat? You should have seen this Christmas hat by now. Like, honestly, when I saw this, I thought this looked like glitter, and I was like, oh my gosh. And it matches my balls. Yes, it does. So I'm just going to put her there, because this is our little Christmas section. We've been unboxing our Madam Glam Advent Calendar 2022. And today is day 9. Day 9. Yesterday, day 8. OMG. Let's have a recap of day 8. That blue. Oh my gosh, I sugared it because it was just calling. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to just put that down there. Looking at all the other swatches from the previous days. Now let's search for day 9. Oh, day 9. Day 9 is a long box. Yes, day 9 is a long box. I'm so happy. Okay, let's get these scissors in the party. Now I have been putting everything back in the box because I need to get some storage. We got a tool. What do we have? We have an application tool. Ooh, Raven has raved about this. Oh my gosh, do y'all see that? I needed this. I absolutely needed this. I hear people say when the brush is this color, it means it's good quality. Let's just carefully put that back in. Oh, why is that making me just want to take the pudding gel back out again? Don't worry. Oh my gosh, my brush selection from my... Be gone. Yeah, be gone. Oh my gosh. I don't want to use this yet. It's an application brush. We will use this again soon, but not today. So today I'm just unboxing that application brush for you to see, and we will get to use it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Join me please tomorrow for day 10. I know you haven't really seen much. Ooh. You're over there saying, but you need to do a swatch with it. I will, definitely. Because remember, we still got content to create for 2023. So there's no rush, definitely. Anyway, guys, that was a really quick unboxing. But guess what? We still have to find day 9. So day 8, I was so super happy. I finally got a different candle. So they really kept the suspense. This looks like 9 over here. What do you know? Another grey. Okay, I smelled this one before. Love it. So that's day 9. I am absolutely loving these candles. I wish they had lids, but I need to put them probably somewhere so they stay airtight because we don't want them to lose their scent. But I'm literally going to put these candles all over the house. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. It's just gonna smell divine. Anyway, I love you all. Please take care and join me tomorrow for day 10. Day 10. That's what's up.